Hello and welcome to this video on how to generate income from ChatGPT. In this video, we will explore different ways you can use ChatGPT to generate income, whether you're a freelance writer or social media manager, or simply someone looking to make some extra cash on the side. So here are 7 simple ways to earn money with ChatGPT. And before we begin, if you want to learn more about ChatGPT or cannot access it due to high traffic, we have created a separate video on those topics. The video link will be included down in the description. So let's get started. Number 1 is content writing. Now let's say your client wants you to write about the growth of AI. Simply enter your queries and this model will generate your essay. If you feel it's not enough, then you can ask it to add a few more lines or paragraph. If you don't like it, then you can simply ask it to write you again. Now what if you don't have any client to offer your service? For that, you can visit different freelancing sites where there are tons of clients looking for your service. For example, in Fiverr, you can list your gig like so many other freelancers have and then provide your service when you get a client. Or you can search through Freelancer or Upwork and many other freelancing sites. If you want to learn about a few more freelancing sites, the video link will be included down in the description. Before moving to another step, there is something you need to know. Do not use the same essay, script, or anything else from ChatGPT. What you can do is go to a paraphrasing website like quillboat.com and then copy the content and then paraphrase it. Then copy this to a Word document and you'll have your content written in a matter of minutes. Number 2 is product description. We all know how big the e-commerce industry is. Many online stores are trying to hire copywriters who can create a catchy product description for the product that they are trying to sell. You can still take the job even if you don't know how to write one, because ChatGPT will do it for you. And then copy this to a paraphrasing website like we did with the essay and then submit the work to your client. Number 3 is translation. Are you surprised that this AI model can even translate into different languages? Suppose you want to translate the product description above in another language. Then just type in translate to and then the language you want to translate it to. That's all there is to it. It can also be translated into a variety of other languages. You can try it out. So you can include translation services in your freelancing profile as well. 4th on our list is email marketing campaign. Email marketing simply means to send targeted messages to targeted audience. Again, you do not need to be skilled to help your client. All you have to do is figure out how to use ChatGPT for this purpose. Assume you want to write a quick response to the customer's feedback. You don't have to think about what to write or how to write it. Simply ask the AI model to do it. 5th is content creation. Are you a content creator looking to monetize your work or a freelancer looking to help a content creator? ChatGPT can help you with writing a title of your video, an entire video script, researching, or video ideas. Is it difficult to decide what video to make or what content to post? Not to worry. Simply ask if you have any video ideas for my channel. Then choose a topic and type in write me a script for whatever topic you've chosen. If you want to change your intro and outro, you can do so by writing a simple query. What if you don't have a YouTube channel but still want to earn money? There are a lot of YouTubers who don't have time to do all of this research and instead hire freelancers to do it for them. If you go to freelancing sites, you will see lots of people selling their services at high cost. Fill out your profile and get started. 6th is SEO. This is an excellent tool for improving your SEO for your YouTube channel or your website. You can simply provide a brief description of your video and write it to generate a title for you and pick any one of them. You can also ask about the trending hashtags for the specific video. The most important, it also gives you tags for your videos. How easy is that? The last on our list is writing books. The next idea is to write books and then publish them on Amazon using Amazon Kindle Publishing. Now, who would have thought writing books would be so easy? You are not required to write those lengthy novels or books. Write a brief one. It could be an ebook, a children's book, or anything else. Let's say we're writing a simple children's book. Then begin by thinking about the topic and writing a query to have a book written about it, or simply write a short story for children on whatever topic you think is right. You can also ask it to show you the story chapters. When you've completed all of the chapters, you can either compile them in a Google Doc or go to Canva to add some graphic content. Now look for a book, then begin copying and pasting your work onto the Canva page. Search for a storybook template, choose any one. Now this one already has characters and a title. What you can do is take this title and few characters name and then ask ChatGPT to write a story based on these characters so that you don't have to spend time searching more characters. When you're finished with your book, publish it on Amazon KDP. If you want pictures specific to your story, there are other AI sites that you can describe what pictures you like and then the website will provide you with the image. For example, you can use Midjourney AI. This is a very interesting topic and you can actually earn a lot from it if any of your book goes viral on Amazon. If you want to see the entire process, leave a comment and I'll make a separate video about it. And that's it. These are the 7 easy ways to earn from ChatGPT. Thank you for